Goat. Goat. Elephant. Elephant. Chick. Chick. Goblin shark. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Squirrel. Squirrel. Penguin. Penguin. Pig. Pig. Chicken. Chicken. Cow. Cow. Horse. Horse. Frog. Frog. Octopus. Octopus. Panda. Panda. Deer. Deer. Shark. Shark. Hyena. Hyena. Fish. Fish. Owl. Owl. Seahorse. Seahorse. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Blue whale. Blue whale. Koala. Koala. Swan. Swan. Slug. Slug. Sea animals. Clownfish are not the best swimmers in the ocean. They spend much of the time hiding in water. At times, they swim sideways while on other occasions, they swim quickly for short bursts. Squid. Squid are known to inhabit almost every major body of salt water on the planet, and even some bodies of fresh water. Octopus. Octopus size is about ½ inches to 30 feet across and weighs up to 600 pounds. Seal. Blue tan. Blue tans are capable of adjusting the intensity of their hue from light blue to deep purple. The flesh of the blue tang is poisonous. Great white shark. These super swimmers are the largest predatory fish on our planet. On average, they grow to around 4.6 m long. But some great whites have been measured at 6 m, that's half the length of a bus. Jellyfish come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, and jellyfish do not have brains, bones, hearts, or eyes. Sea turtle. Sea turtles play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem of the world's oceans. On the one hand, they maintain productive coral reefs by grazing on seagrass beds and sea sponges. Triggerfish. Triggerfish can live for up to 8 years. The maximum lifespan of a triggerfish is 13 years. Starfish. There are around 1,600 different species of starfish living in the world's oceans. Hammerhead shark. Baby hammerheads are called pups. A hammerhead mom can give birth to up to 50 babies at once. Groups of these sharks are called a school or shoal. Sea snail. Most sea snails are herbivores, implying that they entirely feed on sea plants. The algae plant is the most popular source of nutrient among the sea snails. Sea lion. Sea lions are carnivores and eat a variety of fish, octopus, and squid. They have sharp teeth and a strong jaw. Crab. Crabs usually have a distinct sideways walk. However, some crabs can walk forwards or backwards. And some are capable of swimming. Dolphin. Pufferfish. You can find pufferfish in subtropical ocean waters and tropical ocean waters. Some of the categories can also live in freshwater. Penguin. Penguins are known for waddling their feet when they walk, and they also slide on their bellies across the snow. Both of these help them move while saving their energy. Manta ray. Manta rays usually live for about 20 years, but some of the giant manta ray, although less in number, have been known to live as long as 50 years. Narwhal. Frog. This old man came rolling home. This old man he played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Sea otter. The population of the sea otter dramatically declined from the mid-1700 to 1911 due to their excessive hunting for the fur trade. Their population is still not recovered to a proper level. Whale shark. The whale shark is a filter-feeding shark. It is the largest shark in the world. It grows up to 12 meters long and may weigh as much as 47,000 pounds. Walrus. There are two subspecies of walrus. Walruses can be found in the far north of our planet. They live in the Arctic. Atlantic walruses live in coastal areas from Canada to Greenland. Orca do not attack people, but they are at the top of the food chain. It is believed they are called killer whales because they are able to attack vicious animals such as sharks. Seahorse. Seahorses do not have teeth. They suck in their food and swallow it whole. Thus their prey needs to be very small. Primarily, seahorses feed on plankton, small fish and small crustaceans. Stingray. These guys are pretty unique, as they have no bones in their body. Their skeleton is made up of flexible cartilage, the bendy stuff that your ears and nose are made from. Humpback whale. The whale gets its name from the hump on its back. Humpback whales have been on Earth for 45 million years. They can live up to 100 years. Lobster. There are 75 lobster species recognized by scientists worldwide. Lobsters can be identified by their elongated bodies, muscular tails, and 10 legs, which 6 of will have claws, with the first 2 being much bigger than the rest.